I can't see. Oh man. Good morning, everyone. It is a little bit past 5 o'clock in the morning. The temperature is about 43, I think is what the temperature reader read. And I'm headed out to the polo ride. I'm actually going to meet some guys here at the Denny's down the road. Fill up there at a Flying J's, and then we're all going to go to Kilgore, which is where the other group from Houston is going to meet us, and the Dallas crew is going to meet us. And then from there, we're going to get together, roll into Shreveport, Louisiana to Sam's Town Casino, have a good time, and just meet up with everybody that's coming from all over the place. And in short, this video is going to be just guys having a good time and riding pretty spirited, I should say. Nonetheless, let's get this bike on the road.
Everybody, we are here, and I thought it was just gonna be a couple of people, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us, and we're ready to hit the road here. Everybody's in good spirits here. My man Daryl just has his road glide that's recently painted there, and we can't wait to hit the road. It's pretty cold, but we'll come along. We're gonna have a great time.
You found some guys, I don't know about good looking.
All right, everybody, some of the guys already left, so we're about to rip. We are about to rip it here. So we have arrived. We're exiting here at our destination to eat at Superior Grill. As you can see, the group here in the front is it's a little bit smaller than what the group you saw, the group size I should say, you saw over at Kilgore. And yeah, so you know, you can ride how you want to ride. Last year everybody kind of like rode together for the most part. This year it's a combination of Cannonball and ride as a group, which is cool because then you can test out your bike, see how it's running or not, and take it for a spin, man. So, but it was a nice rip. Everybody else will be showing up here pretty soon, and we're gonna start by eating well, getting some food in us and a bunch of water, and then going over to the hotels or casinos, and then I guess just going around town. So stay tuned because this is only the beginning of the ride. There we go. I'm in some other group already. Here we go. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Too little, too late. We got here first. Hey, tell me. that beat. Go follow me. And follow crew too. Your bear finna go dead.
Well, as y'all can see, there is quite a bit of turnout this year, mostly from Texas, but it don't matter. But we're having a good time here, man. Just a bunch of bikes, you know, beautiful bikes too. And these guys ride their bikes. All right, so we're going to the bar now. And some people, there's Chavez, and some people are going to the Harley dealership to have a good time, and then they'll meet us over at the bar area or at the bars by the casino, and that's it. You know, just riding, having a good time, y'all, you know, and having some drinks. All right, I'm gonna turn the helmet cam off and we're going to the 360. You like that?
That was fucking wild. Fucking leg shaking.
Thank you. Hey everybody, here we are with the one and only two of Journey Junkies. They came from where?
Nashville.
Nashville. We're having a good time here, right?
Oh yeah, definitely having a good time. We're missing the other junkies, so she's back at home. This is normally the trip I do solo. So.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but we're kind of broing out, so
Right.
I'm taking care of it. How about that? Okay. But anyway, so I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's up?
If nobody's ever come here before, what would you tell them, or to convince them to come here? Like, what would you say you like about it? You know?
Oh, the ride number one. So everybody this ride is like everybody's mobbing out. So if you like to ride fast, split lanes, just having a good time and hanging out with your dudes.
Test your bike.
Yeah, hanging out with all the guys. It's a good time.
All right, last question.
What's up?
Street glide or road glide?
Well, I have both of them, and I love things about both of them. But I guess I don't have a favorite one.
You don't have a favorite?
No,
Okay, we'll go with that.
I love both my bikes equally, and yeah.
That's it. All right, if you haven't followed him, go follow him. I'll put the handle here on the description as well.
Yep, two of Journey Junkies.
It's him and his wife. They just ride around, have a good time.
Yep.
So that's it. It's all about riding.
Throwing miles down.
That's right. All right, guys. See you later. Here we are. What's your handle, man? So people know.
Wheels Kilo. It's nothing special.
Yeah, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
All right, man.
You're the special one.
No, not at all.
This guy with all the bikes and all the speed. We were talking crap about you earlier.
Okay.
We were talking about how when you have a stock bike and someone walks away from you,
It's kind of tough.
it's tough. It's not a stock bike. When you have a built bike and someone walks away from you, like they're talking about the Pan Ams, they're like, yeah, when the Pan Am walks away from you or the guy from crew, and I'm like, whoa, he's got a turbo built bike. If he walks away from me, he should. He should be walking away from me.
Yeah, we were talking about that.
But when a Pan Am walks away from me, then I want to cry in a corner.
So let me ask you this: if for the people who have never come here before, what would you tell them that you like about the Polar Ride? Like, what is it?
Well, so honestly, the Polar Ride is just kind of like the start of the year, really. I mean, if you want to really narrow it down, it's a one-day-ish, one-night-ish, however you want to say it. It's just a...
Enough to get your thrill, you know?
Yeah, it's just an event to bring everybody together at the start of the year. I know we call it the Polar Ride. Listen, everybody at home, yes, it's colder where you live, I'm sure. We don't call it the Polar Ride because we're like bundled up. It's wintertime. We pick a random day. Last weekend, how cold was it in Texas?
It was like 20s.
Yes.
20s.
It was cold in Arkansas.
It's cold.
We got lucky. Today we're in short sleeve shirts.
Yeah.
It's nice. But the Polar Ride is supposed to just be an event with a name to bring people together. And look at who all I brought together. I mean,
Yeah, look, I was kind of around.
yeah. Look at all these bikes out here. And this ain't even all of them. Most of them are at the hotel already. Some are still at lunch.
Yeah. At the dealership, went to the
At the
dealership.
dealership, yeah. Three state, what do they call them? 3 cities?
I don't know, but I'll go with that.
Something, 3 something. I'm pretty sure it's called. But either way,
It's a good time.
it's a good time. And man, I'm stoked for guys like you, obviously, you know, Jace and all these other big brands that actually come out and show up and like support this stupid event that's been going on for 5 years now.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really just a season opener and it gives everybody an excuse to get on their bikes and ride.
Yeah, it does.
I rode from Arkansas. I think my ride was 240 miles to get here. You were...
Maybe about 3 hours, 4 hours.
Okay, so you're about a 200-mile-ish?
Yeah, but
somewhere in that
who
ballpark.
cares? We like
But
to
we're
ride.
not. But
Yeah.
still, it's more than what you do to go to your local bar.
That's true. That's true.
Or your local whatever. So you're getting out, you're seeing people. Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana. There's
Yeah.
Texas here. There's not
Everybody.
Texas. Tennessee, Louisiana. What else is there? Missouri's here.
Yeah, they're here.
Oklahoma. I think they had some
Yeah,
Oklahoma
they
guys
made
here.
up the Dallas guys, I think.
So tons of guys. Yeah, if you ever see something stupid like this and you think it's stupid and the name's
Not.
stupid, it's not stupid. It's cool. It's fun. It's support it. Have a good time. Enjoy your motorcycles. Don't be a lame.
Last question: Road Glide or Street Glide?
No glide. I have no fairing. I'm on the FXR.
He's on the FXR.
Real man shit. Real man shit.
Make sure you follow him.
Yeah. No, don't follow me. Just stay following him.
No, follow him.
Take her friend. Let's go.
I'm here with my man Jace.
What's up?
And if nobody's ever come to the Polar Ride, what would your advice be?
Don't come. It sucks.
I like
You
it.
don't want to come to this. It's not fun. We're not having the time of our life. I mean, it's just a great time that you should not want to come and be a part of at all. So stay home. Don't come here.
Fair,
You
fair.
can leave that out.
Yeah. And then last question is Street Glide or Road Glide?
Road glide.
Yeah.
For sure.
Depends on the year though.
No, it doesn't.
Oh
I like
okay.
the new body style,
I do.
but I still can't see myself riding a street glide.
Fair, fair. So there you have it, guys. Road Glide.
Road glide, yeah. 100%.
All right, brother. So for someone that's never come to the Polar Ride, what would your advice be to them? Like, is it a good time or what?
Great time. Be ready to ride. Be ready to be impressed with the scene has to offer you for this year. It's a kickoff for the year. Come ready. Be ready. We're gonna have a great time.
Last question: Road Glide or Street Glide?
Ooh. I've been road glide for years now. I'm partial. I do like a good road glide, but street glide, that's better way to go.
I agree. So I'm here with my man Devin, and for anybody that's never been here to the Polar Ride, what would your advice be? What would your advice be? I don't think I said that right.
You need to come. It's not about the bikes, it's not about the ride, it's about building good relationships with people that inspires you to do more. It's all about a good time. Doesn't matter where you came from, it doesn't matter what you ride, just come have a good time. You will meet people in a very casual environment and have a great time, man. Like, this is what it's about. Fuck the bikes. It's about the community. Build relationships that when you go and you travel, you will meet new people and you'll be able to have people to connect with.
Last question. Road glide or street glide?
Oh, dude, Batwing Gang all day.
Batwing Gang all day. You heard it. All right.
Until he passes you on a turbo road glide.
He didn't say that for no reason?
No, I'm doing 115 in Mexico.
Closed circuit.
Yeah, closed circuit course. And this dude decides to pull up, film, and then walk out of my life like a deadbeat dad.
Do I get another tattoo?
So next year, should they come?
Absolutely, 100%.
Come on,
Great
man.
times.
All we require is a good attitude.
Yeah. Keep up or meet up and have a good attitude.
There you go. If it's the first time for people coming to the bull ride, what would you tell them?
No matter how much you want to, leave it at home. Bring your cold weather gear.
Yes, yes.
Bring the heated gear. The forecast said 60-something degrees. We started off this morning, it was 36.
Street glide or road glide?
Road glide all day.
Road glide?
Since 2009.
Street glide or road glide?
Road glide.
Street glide, road glide. Street glide. Street glide. Street glide, road glide.
I love the street glide looks, but I gotta say road glide because it handles better.
That is the end of Pole Ride number 5. We are here currently walking in downtown Shreveport, and if I'm slurring, it's for obvious reasons, so apologies. But we had a great time. It's always good to catch up with the guys. But I just want to close out that with this video and say that it's not only the ride that you ride, but it's also hanging out with the friends and just having a good time and enjoying your life while we have this life to enjoy. So I might show some B-roll of us kind of rolling tomorrow morning, whatever time that is. But until then, y'all be good, and I'll see you on the next video.